Today, I'd like to briefly chat with you about quick disconnect systems, also known as QDS. QDS was designed for quick assembly and disassembly in space-constrained environments. QDS is often such that it doesn't require as much space as a traditional bolted joint. Some of the features and benefits of QDS include non-magnetic material designs, customizable designs, adaptability to traditional ISO KF applications, the capability to seal up to 300 degrees Celsius in both ultra-high vacuum and high pressure environments. It also has the ability and adaptability, I should say, to be used in applications where manipulator arms are used for assembly and disassembly, perhaps in hot cell environments. I hope this helps, and please do let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.